Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah App and welcome back to Sarah App TV, where I'm going to show you everything when it comes to hairstyling, hair dyeing and hair cutting all by yourself. And in today's video I'm going to show you one of my most favorite hairstyles these days. It's this one. I actually have short hair and I like to enjoy long hairstyles lately a lot, because if you have short hair you want long hair, if you have straight hair you want curls. So most of you might understand my struggle. I'm not a professional hairstylist. My background is actually design background, but I just transformed this knowledge from design into styling and I think I'm doing it really good. Let's hop right into the tutorial, because this one is so cool, it's so quick. And it's so easy, so everybody could actually do this and slay like this. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. So let's hop right into the tutorial. So let's start. Hope you can see everything. Okay. This is the inspiration for my hairstyle today. I've did this hairstyle in the past a couple times and I thought it's quite easy and I love it. And I'm going to show you a way how to wear this hairstyle with short hair. I like to start brushing my hair, and if you don't, I don't know what's wrong with you. So, and she's wearing a side part and I'm going to separate this one and secure it with an elastic, just to have it out of my way while I'm doing the rest of this hairstyle first. So, and now I'm going to do a simple ponytail, but I have short hair and thick hair. If you are in the same situation like me with your hair, wet it first, because you can see her hairstyle is a little bit sleeky. So I put some water, some rose water. So her ponytail is super tight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking just a part of my hair and do the first ponytail and do it very tight, because I have lots of hair and to create a very tight ponytail isn't that easy. It's not always something great to have a lot of hair, because you have to style your hair differently and have to find ways to keep your hairstyle in place. For example, if I'm going to do curls, they won't stay all day long. I have to put in some, and if I put too much product in my hair, everything is just going to be back too straight. And I saw this trick by just firstly separating only a part of your hair and do a ponytail. Brushing is so important because you want it really tight, neat and this sleeky look. So I'm gonna pull it also. So we also have at the same time with this hairstyle the eye lifting effect, which I really love. So I'm gonna take double elastic to secure. Okay, this happens sometimes. And now it's time to get the rest of my hair. Okay, I have to stand up for this. So I'm going to do it like this. Can you see it actually? I don't know. So, and brush it like on the upper part and do a second ponytail. Oh damn, guys. Okay. Is it tight? Oh yeah, it is. Oh. This one was very good. Yeah. So, wow, I like this. Some of you guys might know, I used to have an undercut right here, which is so fucking annoying me right now. But we have to work with what we got. And I like to pull my head down and spray it. Use a tongue of got to be hair glue. Brush it up. this. Very important to also spray the ends up here in this area. Oh my god, this hairspray just handles everything. So, and even if I have short hair in the neck, they stay up. They won't move. But I like to secure it just in case with these. So sticky. So we're actually almost done. So now we are coming to my favorite hairpiece that I wanted to introduce to you. It's this one. Actually, it's two pieces, and it was like this, and it was like to put like around your hair to have like a hair extension, but I cut them in two in the middle. And this is synthetic hair, which you can feel it. It doesn't feel extremely artificial, but you can feel it definitely. But you don't see it. Look at this. You don't see that it's not real hair. It's not human hair. I'm so sorry to disappoint you maybe at this point, because I don't know where I got this from. I actually stole this from my little sister. So I'm sorry. I can't tell you where I got this from. I'm sure she got it from somewhere in Korea. Yeah. And yeah, I cut this in two. And I needed to find a way how to apply this on my ponytail. So I put an elastic through here, and a bobby pin at the end of the elastic, and another bobby pin on the other side. And I'm going to use it like, I'm going to put in the bobby pin here and then roll it around. I'm going to show you how. Here is only the bobby pin side, and here's this side with the elastic. And I'm going to put this just into this like this, boom, and roll it around my real hair. Rolling, is it the right word in this case? I'm not sure. Like this. Because now I got the elastic here and I can tighten it up. And make it secure. Okay, this feels secure. And I'm going to put on the bobby pin in like this to close this. Damn. I mean, you can put on another elastic around here, but I'm fine with it like this. I mean, you get the point. Now we have our fake ponytail applied. Now we are coming to other very important details. I don't know if you can hear this. It's light snoring, and just in case if you're wondering, it's just my 10-year-old kid. I put all my clothes on my bed, and 1 second later he went on all of my clothes and just slept there. Anyways, okay, now we are coming to this front bangs part. I put tons of hairspray, spray glue on the front part. Then I used this little lash brush to brush it a little bit down like this. Hold it with my finger in place and brush it back to the back. Like this. Now I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure this like this. And also this one. They're very good for thick hair. So, this one is a little bit tricky. I do understand. I just put a little bit more hairspray on this brush. And brush it a little bit more down like this. So it just works wonders. I'm not sure about this one, but you know, guys, perfection is just boring. You know what's beautiful? Confidence. So now I'm going to do the baby hair on the side. Brush it in this direction. Brush first and then hold it in place with your hand and then just leave it like that. Look, it's so easy. It's so easy. Also this part here, so easy, so easy. Do this side. Ooh. Yeah, we're actually done. Actually done. So fast. Let me put on some earrings and I'm ready to go. I like to keep it simple because I think this amount of hair takes lots of attention already. And as I said in my previous videos, there is this very famous phrase. I don't know how to translate it in English. I only know it in German. I try to translate this in my words. It says, real beauty doesn't scream for attention, and I think this is very important. I had to learn this because in the past I was kind of loud with my looks, but now I'm getting older and I'm getting more confident. I'm able to see my personal beauty and I want to emphasize this. And I don't want to scream. I don't want to grab all the attention because I'm not even interested in people that are just interested in superficial things, you know, just interested in the surface. And this is the hairstyle. Look at this. Wow, I'm so pretty. Oh, I feel so pretty now. And this was this hairstyle tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much when you made it till the end for watching it completely. That's so good. Before we end this video, make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on my IG, Instagram and on my TikTok.